From flab to fab, watch the jaw-dropping body transformations unfold. Witness three men's incredible journey as they take on the challenge of 200 daily push-ups for 30 days. See their muscles grow, their endurance skyrocket, and their confidence soar in this captivating video documentary. Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and amazed as you witness the evolution of their bodies like never before. Witness the evolution. Three men's body transformations after 30 days of 200 daily push-ups. In the pursuit of physical fitness and body transformation, one exercise stands out as a timeless classic, the humble push-up. With its ability to engage multiple muscle groups and require minimal equipment, the push-up is a favorite among fitness enthusiasts seeking to build strength, endurance, and muscle definition. But what happens when you take this fundamental exercise to the next level? Three men embarked on a daring challenge to complete 200 push-ups every day for 30 consecutive days. Their goal was simple yet ambitious: to witness firsthand the evolution of their bodies through this intensive regimen. Each man had his reasons for undertaking this challenge, whether it was to push past personal limits, sculpt a stronger physique, or simply embrace a healthier lifestyle. As the days passed, the men faced physical and mental hurdles. The first week tested their endurance as muscles strained and fatigue set in. Yet, they persevered, driven by a shared determination to see this challenge through to the end. With each passing day, they noticed subtle changes in their bodies. Muscles became more defined, stamina increased, and confidence soared. By the end of the second week, the men began to experience significant improvements in their overall strength and endurance. Push-up repetitions that once seemed daunting now felt more manageable. Their bodies adapted to the demands placed upon them, and the once daunting challenge became a routine part of their daily lives. As the 30-day mark approached, anticipation ran high. The men eagerly awaited the opportunity to assess their progress and witness the evolution of their bodies. When the final day arrived, they stood before the mirror, ready to confront the results of their hard work and dedication. What they saw astounded them. Their bodies had undergone remarkable transformations in just 30 days. Muscles were more defined, chests were broader, and arms were sculpted like never before. But it wasn't just the physical changes that impressed them. It was the sense of accomplishment and empowerment that came with pushing themselves beyond their perceived limits. Their journey didn't end after 30 days. Rather, it marked the beginning of a lifelong commitment to health and fitness. The push-up challenge had ignited a passion for self-improvement and a newfound appreciation for the incredible capabilities of the human body.